Overay shooting range for him, and Kaylee Overay makes it 5 for Cavalier FC.
Green. Ooh, one-on-one, trying to be dancing. Green, back post the header, they score! Oh, Daniel Green set that whole thing up in the 33rd minute. Anglin, who was denied earlier on, gets his. It's 1-0 Mount Pleasant. As would ever see. Watch Green here in the head.
Ball played in, dangerous ball. Cut back, nice square ball, and finishing once again is Shaquille Cairo. Cairo in the 55th minute gets his second goal of the game. 24, Concacaf.
So Mount Pleasant face SV Robin Hood, and Cavalier plays Cibao FC in the Concacaf Caribbean Cup. Tough one, very, very tough one. Mount Pleasant exit early in the group stages last season, whilst Cavalier went on to become champions of the 2024 series. What will happen this time around? All right, so welcome back, people, to MG Sports TV. Thank you very much again for tuning in. Thoroughly appreciate it. This is the the preview. Should have done it a long while, but time, thing kind of say, oh, we're there. And from there, something there for make. Video for make. So big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, and it's going to be a very interesting season. So technically, the Jamaica Premier League 2025-2026 season, you can say it begin. Because it kind of started because unfortunately Arnett Garden wasn't able to come over into the Caribbean Cup. They lost. I never do well in the CFU. But still have two representations. We still have two representatives in the competition. The two best in the country, the two best on the island, probably can say the two best in the Caribbean. But we will see how that materializes. So, big up on yourself. Really appreciate for tuning in. It has been a while. I want to say thank you, people. Really appreciate it. People, we have over 60,000. We're heading towards 70,000 this year. By the end of the year, we want to hit 70,000. Is it possible? We don't know. The only way that can make possible is by you guys doing the right thing by hitting the subscribe button. Definitely, I also have to create a tremendous amount of video in which you will most definitely get. I am saddling up now to get back on track where the videos are consistent enough so we can hit the 70,000 mark. So again, let's get into it. All right, so first of all, congratulations both Cavalier and Mount Pleasant for another season in the Caribbean Cup. It's a really interesting one. So I have to say congrats to them. We're going to touch on Mount Pleasant first. Now, what about Mount Pleasant? Technically, you can say this season, that's different. Other than taking all of the best players from the other teams. All right, so let me just give you some little information surrounding. So Mount Pleasant FA and SV Robin Hood kick off the Caribbean Cup in the group on Tuesday, National Stadium in Kingston. If you all go, please turn out, please come out. Jamaica side Mount Pleasant will be making its second appearance in the tournament after debuting in 2024. Fortunately, as I say again, didn't end well. In which the club exited the group stages. Joshua Anglin and Kimoni Bailey have scored in a goal for the side to lead the club all time. So, not much there. Suriname side SV Robin Hood returns to the Caribbean Cup after winning the inaugural edition in 2023, where it defeated Cavalier FC in the final to complete the double after winning the Concacaf Caribbean Cup Shield. Shaquille Cairo is a club leading goal scorer in the tournament's history with 5 goals. Mount Pleasant and SV Robin Hood will meet for the first time in any competition. This will also be the first encounter against a team from Suriname for Mount Pleasant. Robin Hood FC will meet a Jamaican club for the 5th time. Well, with 3 wins, 1 loss. 3 wins, 1 loss. Can Mount Pleasant change that? Group A consists Mount Pleasant is in Group A. Some interesting club here, but I do believe that SV Robin Hood is going to be the toughest game they're going to face. So really and truly, getting this game out of the way as early as possible would be ideal. All right, so what I also wanted to give you guys was this squad. I did get this squad. Let me see if I can find a squad for you guys, so you know, make it a little bit easier. So when you can hear the squad name, hear the players them. Mount Pleasant do have a big squad, unlike Cavalier, which I would say is a very, very small squad. Big risk, huge risk going to the competition with such a small squad. But you don't know anything already. I could see. All right, so Mount Pleasant squad comprised of, here are the names. Tafari Chambers, Gadal Irvin, Fitzroy Cummins, Joshua Anglin, Johnson Judy, Angelo Exilus, Melvin Doxley, Daniel Green, Alex Marshall, Kimoni Bailey, Marco Dean Spence, Clifford Thomas, Kyle Allen, Kyle Thomas, Tevin Shaw, my apologies, Kyle Ming, Tevin Shaw, Rhyme Edwards, Shaquille Edwards, Shaquille Dyer, Shaquille Bradford, Warner Brown, Jamoy Tope, and Shaquan Davis. Interesting to see actually Shaquan Davis. Thought he would leave. This is quite interesting because Sole McCullough did the pre-match interview, and I'm not seeing McCullough here. So I really don't know how that's gonna work out. Pretty small squad here for Mount Pleasant, I have to say. For such a big squad to have, let me see you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me see. Let me check it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 players. That's technically a short squad for such a big squad. Short amount of players for such a big squad. I think most people who watch the JPL would know me at that point. Small amount of players for such a big squad. Anyway, so this year, I do believe that Mount Pleasant will be looking to pursue at least minimum final based off the recruitment that they have done and what they have tried to achieve so far. And I do believe that the recruitment that they have done so far is in preparation for this specifically. So they're looking for finals because they want to make the Concacaf Champions League. It's very, very crucial to do so. We saw Cavalier last season in it. So I do believe that Mount Pleasant want something like that. So as it stands right now, they didn't do well last season. They drop out in the group stages. Both them and Cavalier end up in the same group. And there's reason for that as well. Changes with coach and these little things. A whole lot of internal issues take place why they weren't that successful. And the moment that they cleaned up certain aspects of things, they did got a good result. Tapa came in, got his win. But it was just not enough because they're already on the back foot, already out. So, but I do believe though, I expect them to be significantly better this season in the competition. For today's game, Robin Hood is a very, very good team. One of the better teams in the group. I still don't believe Mount Pleasant have more than enough quality to win this game. Where predictions are concerned, I'm looking towards maybe a 2-1 win for Mount Pleasant. But I expect Mount Pleasant to do well still. And I'm expecting them to at least minimum top the group. Why? They have the best players. They have the best players. Starting lineup, no, I'm not going to starting lineup. I won't do starting lineup. No, because I don't know who them are. Start, them squad too big. Alright. Let's move on now to Cavalier FC, champions of the Caribbean Cup. They are champions, but unfortunately for Cavalier, they do not have the same squad like last season. Huge omissions. Richard King, Dwayne Busy Atkinson, Wells, Kyle Avery. These guys were crucial to what they achieved last year. Jalmara, listen up, people. Listen up for the Cavalier squad. Small squad as well. Quite similar to the Mount Pleasant squad where size is concerned. Let me just check. Anyways, So we have Vino Bartlett, Shamar Watson, Giovanni Leng, Adrian Reed, Shaquille Stein, Jamila Richards, Christopher Ainsworth, Dwayne Allen, Canu Reed, Navardo Blake, Jerome McCleary, Tevin Savage, Jordan Redison, Rajan Small, Jaden White, and no, that's Shaquille Stein and Ritters. I think there should be more, but apparently I don't see it. Anyways, but as it stands, this is the Cavalier squad at this present moment. As I said, no busy. Give them a lot of problems. Generally give them quite a lot of problems. 3 meetings between both teams. 1 draw, 1 win, 1 loss. The last was in the final, but see how Cavalier cope. At this present moment, Cibao is one of the worst things for Cavalier players, especially for the opening game, especially the fact that they have new players they are trying to bed it into the squad. I do believe though, and Jamaica Premier League champions, I'm going to back them. I'm going to say they are going to give us a nitty our Cavalier have. They do have a way of bouncing back despite the amount of players who leave the club. I don't know how them do it, but them consistently do it time and time again. Anyways, me now go any further. This video kind of long enough. Big up on yourself, people. Smash that button. Drop your prediction in the comment section. And I'll see you guys again. Until next time, MG Sports TV. We're out. Boom. God bless. Outside. And I mean...